Hey there, Miss Fuel again. So I wanted to show you where you can go to submit a tech request. If you go to the Lytle Independent School District website, www.lytleisd.org, you'll go up here to the Employees tab, and then you go to Request Center. When you click on Request Center, you go to the Mojo Help Desk. When you get to this page, you will go to log in with Google. You must choose your Lytle ISD Google account. So I choose mine. When you get here to this page, you'll go up to New Ticket. And then you'll have some drop-down menus. If you go to what can we help you with? Oops. All right. So there's custodial, facilities, iPad tech request, transportation, maintenance. If you need furniture moved, you can go here. But for today, we're talking about tech support. You'll choose tech support. Then you choose our campus, Lytle Primary. You'll put in your room number, and then you'll talk about what's happening and what you need help with. Now, lately, they've been very quick. For the most part, if I put in a tech request, it's usually taken care of within a day. Now, when everyone comes back, I'm sure they're going to be slammed, and it may take you a little bit of time. But you really want to be careful and not, I know I am totally guilty. I'll see Michael, which is the IT guy that's usually on our campus, and I'll say, hey, Michael, can you help me with this real quick? They're busy just like all of us and they forget. And so I'm always told, can you put in a ticket for that? Because then they have a list and they'll prioritize who's put in their tickets first, which is only fair, and try to get everything done. So just, try to avoid asking in the hallway for help. Just go ahead and put that tech support request in. And you can also go to your lead teacher because sometimes they can help you with simple things or direct you to someone who can help you. I hope this little tutorial helps.